What's the meaning of Albert Square? Albert Square. Albert Square. Albert Square. Albert Square. Albert Square.
Albert Square is a public square in the city centre of Manchester, England. It was named after Prince Albert, the husband of Queen Victoria, and is home to several notable buildings, including Manchester Town Hall and the Albert Memorial. The square has been a focal point for events and protests throughout Manchester's history, and is also the fictional location of the long-running television soap opera, Coronation Street. Its iconic status and historical significance make Albert Square an important cultural landmark in Manchester.